Good evening, I'm Larry Smith.
And I'm Megan Mannering. Thanks for joining us. As April is National Child Abuse Awareness Month, it's important to help others identify when a child could be in a bad situation, and educating people on the matter could literally save a life.
LEX 18's Kaylee Randall sitting down with Greenhouse 17 to talk about the side of abuse that isn't usually discussed.
The abuse, the physical abuse, doesn't have to occur all that often. It's just enough to know that person's capable of that.
According to the National Children's Alliance, nearly 1 in every 100 children in the U.S. are victims of abuse or neglect. And the U.S. Child Welfare Authorities look into the safety of nearly 8 million kids a year. With April being National Child Abuse Awareness Month, it's important to keep the conversation going.
So if the words aren't working anymore, or the isolation's not working anymore, then you know that I'm capable of the physical abuse.
Diane Fleet with Greenhouse 17 says sometimes the conversation around child abuse isn't as frequent. A child acting out of character or doing poorly in school can be interpreted as just going through the stages, but that's not always the case.
So beginning to ask questions to kind of get to see if someone feels safe in their home. Is there something troubling in your home? Do you feel that you're able to kind of still participate in after school program, whatever that is? Are you still able to do that without any kind of repercussion?
And she says not all abusers look the same. Fleet says abusers can have a different persona in public than what's seen behind closed doors. It's important to ask if something is happening rather than believe that person would never do that just because you know them personally or they appear innocent.
And I think that's a question we really do need to start asking. You know, why do they do this? Like, what is our response to the abuser? Not picking apart everything the victim did. The victim's just trying to survive, you know.
In Lexington, Kaylee Randall, LEX 18 News.
If you or someone you know is experiencing child abuse, you can call the national hotline. That number is 800-422-4453 or visit lex18.com for more information.